Health Nuts, it's Nicole from Health Nut Nutrition, and today I'm going to show you guys how to rock your New Year's resolutions with 20 healthy food swaps. These are super easy and tasty things that you can do to make small changes to your plate to feel more energized and alive for the new year. And today's video, I'm so thrilled to be working with Walmart and Interact again for 2018. I personally love shopping at Walmart because I can pick up a lot of my fresh and organic produce there at affordable prices, so I can still eat healthy while being budget friendly. And I just want to give a disclaimer for this video. These are by no means like diet foods or things I think you have to do to be healthy. These are just like other alternatives you can try, maybe this instead of that. Not all of them are junk food, and I personally eat junk food once in a while. I just don't make it part of my everyday eating habits. So I just want to share some of these with you guys. Hopefully you guys try them out. Let me know how you feel after you try them, and let's hop right into the video. Instead of sugary cereal, why not choose some puffed grains like kamut or brown rice? There's tons of options. It's perfect with some berries and a little bit of almond milk, and you have yourself a delicious bowl of cereal without all of the added sugar. Number 2, how about you swap your white sugar for some coconut sugar? It's just as sweet, it has a nice caramel flavor, and it works perfect in your morning cup of joe. Number 3, we have the gummies. Why not try swapping it with some dried fruit? I love dried pineapple, cranberries, and dates. They're an amazing alternative for dried candy. They're so sweet and chewy, and you can feel good about eating them because they have no artificial coloring. Next up, we have the sports drink, which come in a whole variety of different colors. I like to substitute that for some coconut water. It's filled with electrolytes, it's naturally sweetened, and it's so refreshing after a good workout. Pop it into a water bottle and bring it to your next workout. Instead of that mayonnaise-based veggie dip, why not sub it for some hummus? You can even make your own or buy it at the store. It's just basically chickpeas and tahini, and it's delicious with veggies. Here's a fun one. How about swapping out your Parmesan cheese for some nutritional yeast? If you've never tried it before, give it a try. It's basically an unactivated yeast that tastes very cheesy and tastes amazing sprinkled on top of your pasta. This next one is just a fun option in case you're getting bored of typical rice. Why not try cauliflower rice? It's basically just raw cauliflower blended up in a food processor, and you have something that looks like rice and works perfect in stir fries. For your next Sunday brunch, instead of fried eggs and oil, why not try poached eggs? You're skipping the oil because you're just using water to cook it, and it's amazing on avocado toast. Now, who doesn't love mayonnaise? It's so addicting and delicious, but it's not always the best for you if you're eating a lot of it. So why not just try some mashed up avocado that's nice and ripe? It works amazing on toast. You can literally put it in anything, and it has that creamy, buttery flavor and texture. How amazing does that look? How about ditching your favorite soda or pop for some sparkling water with fresh squeezed lime? The lime adds some sweetness and flavor, and the sparkling water makes you feel like you're drinking soda. Tell me, does this not look way more refreshing? Give it a try. I think you guys will love it. If you're getting bored of wraps or sliced bread, why not try a lettuce wrap? It's so refreshing and crunchy, and you can fill it with anything you like. I have some shredded chicken and salsa. Pack a few for lunch, and you can feel good about getting some extra greens in your meal. Try swapping out your oil for some vegetable stock. This works perfect for sauteing veggies. All you have to do is heat some up in a non-stick skillet and throw in your veggies and cook just like you would with oil. You might need a little bit more stock because it evaporates, but your veggies will still be crispy and flavorful. Try swapping out your spaghetti with some zoodles. Zoodles are just zucchini that's been spiralized. It's really fun to eat. You can have them raw, steamed, sauteed, however you like. They're delicious to eat, and they add extra veggies to your meal. Plus, you can twirl them around your fork just like spaghetti. Fries can be so tasty, I get it, but how about instead of doing the packaged freezer fries, you can just cut up a sweet potato into strips, bake them with a little bit of coconut oil and sea salt, and they'll be just as crispy as the other stuff. And they're just as good dipped in some organic ketchup. How about ditching those deep fried potato chips for some air popped popcorn? It's delicious, it's a lot healthier, and you can feel good about snacking on it even really late. You can flavor it with any seasoning you like, and it's perfect for a movie night. Instead of sour cream, why not just try some plain Greek yogurt? I love adding this to some baked potatoes. Anything that you would put sour cream on, you can really just use plain old yogurt. It's a bit of a lighter option, and it's good in case you run out of sour cream and all you have is yogurt. You know you can use it for the same thing. Instead of artificially colored and super high sugar ice cream, why not just try making your own with some frozen bananas and fruit, aka an ice cream. I just used some frozen bananas, strawberries, a little bit of peanut butter and almond milk, and I created this delicious dessert, and you can top any toppings you like. I have some chocolate chips and coconut flakes, and it might melt quick, but I'm telling you, it's heavenly. Instead of your heavy cream, why not just try blending up some cashews with water? This makes an easy dairy-free option for adding cream to some of your favorite dishes like pasta. Now, I love fruit, but you can easily put too much into your smoothies. So to give your smoothie a creamy base without any more sugar, why not try adding some frozen zucchini or cauliflower? Blend them up with a little bit of fruit, and I'm telling you, you don't even notice them, and you get extra veggies in your drink. I've been using this one forever. Instead of extra oil, why not try adding applesauce to your next baked good? This works amazing in banana bread. I use it all the time, especially if I run out of oil or I just want to lighten up my baked goods. Works perfectly every time. Test it out with some of your favorite recipes. You may need to adjust the ratios a little bit, but I love it with banana bread. All right, there you have it. Super easy, right? I had so much fun sharing my 20 healthy food swaps with you guys. And I just want to once again say this is not like a special diet. You will not feel deprived when you eat these foods. And honestly, for me, I find the more you eat real food, the more your body craves it. And trust me, your body would much prefer to run off green smoothies versus greasy fries. And if you guys have any of your own healthy food swaps, I would love to hear them. Leave me a comment down below. We can help inspire each other to stay on top of our healthy goals for the new year. Another thing I want to mention is that health isn't just necessarily the foods you eat and how many times you move your body. It's also about your mental health and your stress levels and just being on top of that and doing small things to reduce any stress in your life. And for me, I used to get so stressed out about money because I would put things on credit cards and then like not have enough money to pay it every month, and I wasn't budgeting and organizing my finances. Luckily, I have Mr. Matt now, and that's like his expertise. But for me now, I really just try to use the money I have to pay for things like the gym membership and my foods and groceries and things like that. So I know I'm actually using money I have, and you're not like ending the month with this like huge credit card bill that you can't afford and pay, and then you get stressed, and it doesn't matter how many green smoothies you have because you're just like all stressed out, and that's not fun. Oh, and before I forget, I want to remind you guys to go check out the new web series called Upstairs Amy. I did a really fun cameo in it. It was shot and filmed so well. It's really cute and funny. I know you guys will love it, and it's like a super short, easy watch. I will link it down below. You guys can go check it out. Let me know if you can find me. Find my little star moment. It's like 5 seconds. But go find me. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, just make sure you are thinking about all areas in your life when you're trying to create new healthy habits. And hopefully some of these help you guys in your life with your health journeys. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will also have a playlist link down below in the info box called #goals, which is going to be filled with a ton of other videos from other amazing YouTubers here on the web. That's all going to be about healthy ways to improve your year. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys in my next one, and have a fabulous January. Bye, guys.